Well, you guys, all good things come to an end, and today we have the final Friday Thrift Finds episode of 2022. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark, though I do sell on Mercari and Depop, and also locally at an antique mall, at least for right now. We'll see how that progresses in 2023. But yeah, this is the last episode of Friday Thrift Finds for this year. Let me know how you guys like this series, if you want to continue me having them every Friday so you can count on always having a thrift haul on a Friday, if you want me to change the day, if you want me to go back to just putting them out whenever I have the time to. I will say it hasn't exactly been easy to just get stuff, film it for a Friday release, get it out every Friday for a whole year. But that doesn't mean that I can't do it. It's just, it's not always easy. And also, making sure that I have content and items to show you guys. Hello to baby Clove. Every Friday has also created quite a death pile for me. So I need to get better at, you know, keeping things coming in, but also getting them listed. And I know right now it's the holiday season, and so things kind of fall to the wayside because life gets in the way. But yeah, I don't want that stress in 2023. Also, yes, because I know I will get some comments. I did just get my hair done. I literally just got home about 15 minutes ago prior to filming this haul. It's gonna be a pretty quick one. It's only 10 items, and I'm only gonna show you 9 because one was an under thing for myself, and you guys don't need to see that. That's weird. So I'm gonna show you 9 items. My cost of goods was like $82.89. So 10 items, that's $8.29 per item for the average. That's a bit high for me. I like to stay $5 and under. But hopefully in 2023, I'm going to make the bins more of a priority and go at least once a month. So I think that will, you know, kind of drop my overall average cost of goods for the whole year. So we'll see how that plays out. But I did also find one item that's on my brands that I wanted to manifest in 2023. I'm gonna still count it because even though it's 2022, there's only a couple days left in the year. So I'm just gonna say that I found it for 2023, and hopefully, you know, I will find more since now I found the first one. There's also a couple like silent heavy hitters in here that I had no idea would be worth so much. So let's get started. I did pick up 2 things for my antique booth. If you haven't watched any of those videos, I don't know what the future is gonna be for my booth. I'm giving it at least till the end of February, so I'm still picking up things, and I'm hoping that going to the bins more often will give me a lot more items that are suited for my antique booth. And the cost of goods, you just can't beat that, because trying to find things to put in my booth at local thrift stores, it's mostly a miss because everything's too high priced for what I can tag it for sale there. So we'll see. I will keep you guys updated, of course. So this first thing, I haven't washed it, so the price is still there, $3.99. The store that I got all of these things from, it really varies, and I mean really varies. I saw a Theory Nuitag dress and they wanted, I think, $80 for it. And then I found one pair of shoes, which I'll show you in a minute, and they only price those at $4.99. So it's very, very hit or miss. But anyways, this is like a utensil holder for a kitchen. I just brought my old one because I thrifted one for myself for, I think, $2.99. It's just a Target one, and it's more of a neutral color. It's just white versus my previous yellow one, and so I brought the yellow one to the booth. It sold instantly, same day that I brought it. So I picked up this one. I also have another one that I got this week that I'll show you in a future thrift haul. So I don't know, this is TG Green. LTD, it looks like, made in England. It's a very small one, like all of my kitchen utensils would not fit in here. But I think it'll be cute for my booth. And then the other booth item I got, I thought about keeping for myself. I still might, but as of right now, it's going there. And this is a wine and cheese collection board from Pottery Barn. And this was also $3.99. It's got a nice like braided twine hanger, and yeah, I just thought it was cute. It does have like some pock marks in it, which I think are intentional, so love that. Okay, the shoes that I was just talking about. So like I said, they had that Theory dress priced around $80. I saw some other ridiculous things priced way up, like New Tags Fabletics leggings for like $45. They had a not even brand new Victoria's Secret bra that had nothing. It was just straps around the girls and nothing else, and they wanted $42 for that. So when I saw these, I expected them to be priced really high, but they were $4.99. So these are Birkenstock. I think these are the Arizona sandal. They're just like the rubbery ones, and they are a size, I forget, 39. It's pretty much all rubbed off on the insole, but it still says it right here, like it's like embossed in the strap. So yeah, the bottoms look really good. There's just like one little mark right here, but otherwise for $4.99, I'm happy to pick up a pair of Birks. And then this is everything else that I got, so not a lot. This is the piece that's on my BOLO list. And it is Zarina. A lot of you guys, when I had posted that video, said you'd never heard of this brand. So I'm excited to see how this does so that I can report back to you guys. Hopefully you will see it on a monthly sales review of $40 or more. I did, right before I sat down to film this, looked up the retail price. It is $226 for this. It's called the Finch Hoodie, black size medium. This is what the inner tag looks like. It is new with the tag. That's how I know what the style name is. It's a very lightweight hoodie, little button front. I think it's three buttons. Hello to Clove again. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna do. I don't think I'll get anywhere close to the 200 plus retail value, but I'm still excited every time I find a new brand for me to try out. I did pay for it though. It was $16.99, so hopefully I can make a decent profit. I got 3 pairs of jeans, all standbys that I've sold before. One is like a brand that I don't really have much experience with because I've only found it maybe once or twice prior. This first pair is a pair of Levi's wedgie fit jeans. I have sold 2 pairs of wedgie fit in the last few days since Christmas. These are a size 26. They have a hidden button fly, and yeah, they're in really good shape. Raw hem. Love these. I usually get between 40 and 60 for my wedgies. That sounds weird, but you guys know what I mean. Also, while I was in the jeans section in this store, I was flipping through the rack and I felt something weird in a pocket. So I peeked in there and there was a $5 bill in there. So I was $5 technically richer when I left the store. Okay, so this is the brand I don't have too much experience with. I have picked up a hoodie from this brand as well, and it's been sitting for almost the whole year. But the jeans usually move pretty quickly. This is Mother. It might be hard to see the tag. Oh, there we go. Because it is black on black and it's like a felt kind of feel. These are called the Stunner, I want to say. The Stunner Zip 2-Step Fray. The wash is called Last Call, and they're a size 24, so they're an itty bitty size, but that's okay. They're kind of like a straight leg. They have a step hem like the name implies. I don't see a zipper though, so I don't know why it says zip in the name. I mean, like, this part is a zipper, but that's the only zipper. And then you can usually spot Mother jeans, which is how I saw these actually, because they were backwards, because they have M's on the pocket. If you guys can see that, they're like embroidered on the pocket of all Mother jeans. And then the third pair, I've sold this brand quite a few times. If you follow Amber Resells here on YouTube, can you not lick yourself in the background, please? Thank you. If you follow Amber Resells, nope, she's still gonna do it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, the indecent exposure kitten thing is not what I want on my channel. So I have relocated her. But anyway, as I was saying, if you follow Amber Resells at all on YouTube, she did this whole video on denim brands to pick up. She went very in depth as she always does. She's super analytical and that's why I love watching her channel. And she went into sell-through rates and average sale prices for Poshmark and eBay. And this brand was on there. I can't remember where it fell on both lists, but I had already had experience with this brand in the past, so I knew of it, but that's a very helpful video to watch. Anyway, the brand is Rock Revival. These are the Heather boot, size 27. They're kind of like a Miss Me jean in my opinion. I did pass on a pair of Miss Me's at this store on the same day. People like the back pockets. A lot of equestrians like this brand because you'll see the pockets on the back when they're riding. They do have a little bit of wear down here, but I have sold plenty pairs of these jeans that have that, and it does not really affect their resale value because most of the women wearing these are wearing cowboy boots anyways. And usually I get around $50 for a pair of these. Bless you. The cat sneezed. Okay, just two more items left. So this is a new brand to me. Never heard about it, never seen it before. It seems to be part of the J. Crew Madewell family, but the comps are really good. So this is Wallace and Barnes, size large. I think it's a men's piece. If you have any experience with this brand, please let me know. It's a heavyweight fleece. Comps are around 60 to 70. For something that is similar to this, a heavyweight fleece. It's a quarter zip, kangaroo pocket, all of that stuff. It's very nice quality. And let me see when it was made. Because it's part of J. Crew Madewell family, it does have a date code on it. So it says holiday of 2021. So it's a year old. And yeah, it does say J. Crew Operating Core on the end of the last tag. So yeah, something to look out for if you ever come across it. Oh, that's not a kangaroo pocket. I lied to you. It's just two open slit pockets on the bottom. My hair keeps getting stuck in my lip gloss. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is the last item, and it's a banger. I am so shocked at the comps for this. It's a hoodie from Nike, but it's a collab with Kith, which is a really great menswear brand. I've sold, I think, 2 pieces from there. They might do women's too, but I've sold pieces from the men's department, and they always sold really fast. I hardly ever find it. This is probably the only the third time I've found it. And also, it has this symbol down here, which if you like sports ball, you'd probably know that that is LeBron's symbol. So this is a Nike x Kith LeBron hoodie. So I just looked up on eBay Nike Kith hoodie, and I filtered to solds, and I saw 2. One was brand new and it sold for $305 doll hairs. Let that sink in. $305 for a Nike hoodie, guys. The other one was listed at 5 something. But it was crossed out, so they accepted an offer. So I went on Terapeak on eBay, and I tried to figure out what that one sold for. So that one was not brand new. It was in excellent condition, size medium. This one's an XL, and that one sold on a best offer for $400. I paid $10.99. I mean, that's still paying up for my standards, but $10.99 into several $100s potentially, that doesn't happen to me in the resale world. I am a, $30 and under bread and butter kind of seller. That's just my buyer, I guess. I always would love for that to change, but yeah, I'm really excited to get this listed. No, I have not listed any of these things yet because, like I said earlier in the video, the holidays, so things have gotten away from me. Also, the sleeve is fully embroidered. It says "Long live the king," in reference to LeBron. If you guys can see, it's kind of hard to show. And then there is an embroidered Nike swoosh down here. The back just has this. It's like a lion, and I honestly didn't even see that. So this is what the tag looks like. It's a Nike dry fit tag, size extra large. I'm pretty sure it's men's, though it seems smallish for an extra large. So I don't know, but it's in fantastic condition. This sleeve, I didn't show you this one, has like some gold filigree and then some roses embroidered. It's just really nice, and I am so happy to have found that. And honestly, if it didn't say Kith on it, I probably never would have looked it up. I just would have passed right by it because it has a Nike tag. And Nike tag, while I personally love Nike, all of my sneakers are Nike, it doesn't sell really for me, and especially not when I paid $10.99. So I only looked it up because it had the Kith name attached to it. So I don't know, but I'm happy that I did because I'm really stoked to see, yes, I said stoked to see how much this actually goes for. So look forward to that in a future what sold video. I don't know if it will maybe be a little bit more long tail, but I didn't see that many listed. Actually, I don't think I saw any listed in this color. There's also a white one, but it's less desirable. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll get lucky and it'll sell fast. I don't even know what to list it for. So if you guys have a suggestion based on that $305 brand new comp and the $400 offer accepted on a excellent condition pre-owned comp, please leave them in the comments below, because I don't know how to price things that are expensive, because like I said, I'm more of a bread and butter seller. All right, so that's everything for this video, guys. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey of every Friday tuning in for a Friday Thrift Finds episode. It's been really nice to hold myself accountable, but like I said earlier, it did not come without struggles, so we'll see how that goes in 2023. But thank you as always for the support of me and my channel. I appreciate every single one of you, and this video is going up right before New Year's Eve, the day before, because that's a Friday. So I hope all of you out there have a safe and happy New Year's. If you like this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my little family on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.